Scorpio, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have your reading for the month of November. But before I start, Scorpio, this is your season, so very happy birthday to all of you. May your world shine with love and happiness and joy and success, all that you deserve, Scorpio. Wonderful. I'm happy to bring this your birthday season reading for you. Let's see what November has in store for you. Enjoy your birthday, Scorpio, and stay happy and blessed. I want to take a moment here to thank each and every one of you for all your love and support that you've shown to the channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Remember, this is a general read, so take what resonates and leave what does not for somebody else. Also, this is for the sun, moon, rising sign of Scorpio. As always, I'll ask you to, watch all your sun sign, moon sign and rising sign videos, because you'll find some or the other message there which will give you a clearer and a more complete picture about the energies that are playing out for you during a specific time. All right. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't as yet, and share my video on your social media. Also, I'll be happy to do your personal reading. You'll find all my contact details in the description box below the video. What is happening? Scorpio seems to be a little confused kind of an energy. Also, you'll find links in the description box to all my social media. On Facebook and Instagram, I post every day inspirational and motivational posts. Also, you'll find a link to the other YouTube channel that I have, where I post spiritual and motivational videos. Do join me and subscribe to that channel. Also, I'm truly grateful to that. Alright, Scorpio, for your birthday season, this is your reading for November. Let's see what I love it. You've drawn the blue moon card, which says believe in the impossible. Don't we say once in a blue moon, which is so rare? And as a reader, let me tell you, this is a card which very rarely comes out in any reading. So you've drawn the believe in the impossible card. Love it for you, Scorpio. What a powerful way to begin your birthday season and have this in your reading. Wow. Now, there are two messages that I get here, and powerful messages. One, that you have dimmed your light, or your light has been dimmed due to the circumstances, to the situation of all that you've gone through. Not just in the recent, as I keep mentioning, it's been for over 10 to 12 years that the Scorpions have really taken a beating from life in different areas, okay? And what has happened because of that is, no matter how strong we are the phoenix rising, we are the eagle, yes. But what it does to our psyche is it dims our light, and it makes us believe, it makes us be small and believe in small. Because it's almost like, this is all that can happen for me. Nothing greater, nothing big will ever happen to me, because that's our experience for the past 8 to 10 years. But guess what? It's time to go big. Scorpio, I'm saying this with full confidence. It's time to go big. Big on your dreams. Big on your aspirations. Big on goals. Okay? Because even those are possible at this time. Wow. I'm getting goosebumps as I say this. This is real powerful energy that I feel. And your cards confirm what I'm saying. Door to personal healing and happiness. Healing to the areas which have been wounded, which have been traumatized, which have taken a severe beating. Your confidence, your self-esteem, your self-worth, even your love for life has taken a huge beating, Scorpio. But it takes a Scorpio to withstand these storms. Storm is past. It's time to rise and shine, Scorpio. Look at this beautiful door, wide open, not slightly open, it's widely open. Look at the dove there, which signifies peace, healing, and the rainbow signifies happiness, joy, success. Everything denied to us, Scorpio, is ours for the taking. Believe in that impossible. Love it, love it, love it for you, Scorpio. And you've drawn a surprise card, because this is unexpected, because it is asking you to believe in the impossible. Because what do we believe in? Is this is not possible for me, so it is going to be unexpected. Believe in it. It's a surprise handed over by the divine, which is giving you healing to every pain and hurt that you've been through in each and every area of your life. And it says, look for the unexpected, because the surprise is, because it's a surprise, it's unexpected and it is huge. I love it for you. Do come back, even whenever it happens, even if it may be any other month that it works out for you. Do come back and share it with me. I would love to hear something good happening in your life, and I pray that it does happen soon. Yes, this was the energy you've been in, Scorpio. Five of Swords energy, which was playing how walk with your mind, with your emotions, with your feelings, with your life in general. Your gut took a severe beating, and we are a highly intuitive sign, and it just blocked our gut, our intuition, because we were so caught up in the trauma, in the confusion, in the stress that was our life. Okay, guess what? Out of it, because from this energy you're moving into the healing of this, right? And it gets better and better and better. This is one of the most positive readings I've done forever, for anyone. This, you've drawn the Sun, the most positive card in the entire deck. This is about abundance, prosperity, healing, happiness, joy, success, harmony, success, as I said, and what else? Warmth, good health, you name it, and this is positive there. It is about falling in love again with yourself and with life. And that is right under the belief in the impossible, because right now it looks impossible that we can love our life. We just go through the motions. Guess what? You are winning, and winning big. I love this for you, Scorpio, and I claim it personally for myself, because I'm a Scorpio too. And your last card also confirms this is abundance. Each and every card of you is abundant, is success, is prosperity, is happiness, is love, is joy, is money, it's material possessions, it's love, it's relationships, it's everything. Abundance is all of this, not just financial abundance. Just look at him enjoying life and having more to share with everybody. Where life is in balance. You've got the sun and the moon here, and the sun here and the moon here. What more can I say? Scorpio, claim this. Claim this reading right now. It is bringing you so much of everything that you've ever dreamed of. Please comment saying, I claim it. It is yours. Take it. Okay, I wish and pray these energies work out for you soon, Scorpio. You deserve nothing but the best, the impossible so far in your life. I wish and pray that you have a great birthday, and the following months bring you nothing but success, joy, and happiness. Remember to like this video, share it on your social media, and definitely subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon, Scorpio. Once again, a very happy birthday. Namaste.